I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zyropay app. First, download the Zyropay app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email address or phone number. You'll need to verify your identity to access all features, which usually takes just a few minutes. Finally, securely link your preferred bank account or debit card to begin making transactions. Sending money with Zyropay is incredibly simple. Just tap the Send Money option, enter the recipient's phone number or email, and input the desired amount. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. To receive funds, you can share your unique QR code or provide your registered phone number. Incoming payment requests will appear on your dashboard, ready for you to accept with a single tap. Your Zyropay wallet is your central hub for managing finances. From the main screen, you can easily view your current balance and a detailed history of all your transactions. Adding funds to your wallet from a linked bank account is straightforward, and you can withdraw money back to your bank whenever you need it. Plus, you can set up convenient recurring payments for bills or subscriptions, saving you time each month. Zyropay prioritizes your security. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Regularly review your privacy settings to ensure your data preferences are met. If you ever encounter an issue or have a question, our dedicated customer support team is available to help you directly through the app. Remember to report any suspicious activity immediately to keep your account safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.